Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Colaz Smith didn't just randomly pick Thailand. No, this move was calculated. Because if you look closely, Thailand and the Philippines are almost mirror images of each other. So the real question is Colaz building something bigger, or is he just traveling? Let's be real for a second. Colaz doesn't move like a typical YouTuber. When most creators travel, it's for vibes, quick content, maybe a few vlogs. But Colaz, he studies environment. Let's be real for a second. He embeds himself into cultures. And when he left Jamaica for the Philippines months ago, that wasn't just a trip. That was a test run. Now fast forward, he's in Thailand. Different countries, same type of environment. That's not coincidence. Let's break this down, because this is where things get interesting. Philippines versus Thailand. These two countries share powerful similarities that make them perfect for a creator like Colaz. Both countries rely heavily on tourism. That means beautiful beaches, constant flow of foreigners, high energy, vibrant environments. For a YouTuber, that's content everywhere. Let's be honest, money stretches further in both Thailand and the Philippines, which means longer stays, more experiences, more consistent content. Colaz isn't just traveling, he's maximizing output. If you watch his recent videos, you would notice something. Colaz loves street food, from grilled meat, seafood on the roadside, fresh fruit vendors, local snacks. This kind of environment gives him authentic content, real interactions, daily storytelling. Thailand, same exact thing. Both countries are known for their hospitality. People are open, warm, curious, and that matters. Because Colaz brand is built on human connection, real conversations, community energy. These environments amplify that. Let's not ignore this. Philippines equal islands. Thailand equal islands. Water, boats, beaches, sunsets. Visually, this is YouTube gold. Now, here's where it gets deeper. This isn't just about similarities. It's about strategy. Colaz is positioning himself in content-rich environments, places where every corner is a story, every day is unpredictable, every interaction feels real, and more importantly, these are places where Western audiences are curious about. Think about it. Viewers in the US, UK, even Jamaica, they want to see what life is like over there, how cheap things are, what people eat daily, and Colaz is giving them that consistently. Now, let's talk about something people might not want to see, but I will. Colaz might be doing something that many Jamaican creators are not doing. He's doing global, while others stay local. Colaz is expanding his reach, and that's risky. But it's also powerful, because now he's no longer just a Jamaican YouTuber. He's becoming an international storyteller. And Thailand, that's a major step in that direction. So now we have to ask, is this a one-time move, or is this a pattern? Because if you connect the dots, Philippines, Thailand, what's next? Indonesia, Vietnam, Bali. If that happens, then this isn't travel. This is expansion. So, maybe the real question isn't why did Colaz go to Thailand? Maybe the real question is, where is he going next and what is he building?